Hello, this is a video to explain how to use the compass rose, the ship's compass, and the captain's pad in figuring out what is your true course. So there's basically two kinds of problems that you come across. The first one is they would say you're on a course of 103 degrees per your ship's compass. So you're sitting on your boat or standing, looking across your compass in the direction that your boat is going, and you read 103 degrees. Now, why does it show 103 degrees and not 90 degrees, not 90 degrees? Well, because you have variation, right? The compass on your boat is pointed to magnetic North Pole, not the geographic North Pole. So geographic North Pole is straight north. Straight up is north. Down is south. East is to the right. West is to the left. So the compass is going to measure something different. So I'm on this boat and I look across and it's 103 degrees. And that's what they're telling us. 103 degrees per the ship's compass. So how would I figure out the true course on the chart? What would the course that I would want to draw on the chart? Well, I would use the captain's pad and I would calculate, solve for true. 103 degrees plus 2 east, because I'm coming down, I use 2 east. This is telling me that for solving for it. That's 105 magnetic. I would then take and add in or subtract my variation. In this case, I subtract my variation because it's 15 west. I'm assuming that I am in Block Island, and I would end up with 90. So yes, I'm actually going straight east, geographically, on the chart. On any map that you may have, I'd be going straight east. Even though my ship is telling me I'm going 103 degrees because the magnetic fields of the Earth, which is variation, and of your boat, which is deviation, causes this ship's compass not to point straight up for north. Now, what if instead they gave me, oh, I'm at a certain location. I'm at location A. Maybe it's a buoy. Maybe it's 2 miles south of a buoy. Maybe it's a longitude and latitude. And I'm heading to B. I want to go to B. And again, that could be a buoy. That could be a longitude and latitude, but they give me 2 locations. Well, what would I do in that case? Well, I would find the 2 locations on the chart. I'm sorry, drawing tool's not great. I would draw a line. I would then put an arrow on the line so I don't go the wrong way. Terrible arrow. Sorry about that, folks. And I would take this and I would measure it. And I'd say, oh, I'm going that way. And notice I don't go all the way from one side to the other. I go from the middle out. So I know which direction I'm going in. And that reads 90. So here's, got the wrong tool, sorry. So here is my measurement, 90. I don't need to convert. I found it by just measuring it. I'm not given compass course in this problem. I'm just saying going from A to going to B. I just measure it and I've got 90. Now they might ask you, okay, you've got the true, take the true and convert it down to compass. And if you do that, you'll end up with 103. So one way of finding true course is you're given the ship's compass course per ship's compass, and you use the captain's pad. The other way is that they give you two locations. You just draw a line, bring it down to your chart's compass rose. It's not the same thing as your ship's compass. It's the compass rose on your chart, and measure the true. Thank you very much.